Honestly, I feel like what convinced me at least was how easy it was to use, and then the amount of money that you can make with how easy the product is. Coming here to the class, I now understand why it is growing so much.
It's Chris Rupp. I'm from Florence, Oregon.
I'm Don Mosier. I'm also from Florence, Oregon.
My name is Kendall. I am from Northwest Arkansas, and I work with Natural State Curbing and Landscaping.
My name is Crystal, and I'm also currently living in Northwest Arkansas from Northern Illinois.
My name is Samantha Stentz. I'm from North Carolina, and right now, for a living, I am a tax manager.
Nice to see how the product's made. And
made here in America.
Yeah. The quality, the craftsmanship looks superior to a lot of places I've been into.
I was mentioning to him how durable the paint seems to be. I mean, we're all shoveling out of that wheelbarrow and it's getting used over and over, and it still is a pretty decent paint job. Just keep your stuff cleaned up.
In total, everything is phenomenal. I love to see the fact that you guys make the trailers here. And it's great to know that Gordon explained the products that you use, why you use them, and how they benefit the trailer. Knowing that it's not coming from somewhere else, it was a phenomenal experience to be able to come here, see how it was made, because I'm using that. I want to know what oil goes in it, and I don't want to have to read that from my booklet. That was one of the first things they told us, what gas goes in it, what oil goes in it. That was phenomenal.
They were very easy to operate. Tools and equipment were very easy. Once you found out how to turn everything on and everybody, showed you how to use each machine, it was great.
It's easy. It's easy. I could teach my 5-year-old to do this at home. I could teach him how to do it.
It's nice that the concrete is forgiving too, so it's not like once and done, you messed up, you can go back and fix it. You have time to fix it and make it right, so it's very user-friendly.
I found it very easy. I've played with concrete before and mixers, and very simple.
You guys have designed and perfected for this craft, make the job like really, really easy and classy. And it makes our life a lot easier when we're out there doing it. You can get the product down on the ground and...
It's easy, it's quick, it does look natural. The samples that I was looking at, I was like...
It hides a lot of imperfections.
I don't know, but when you see it in person and it comes out, it looks great. Like, if you do the process right, it looks phenomenal. I would personally put that at my house. Yeah, I like the Moroccan.
Make the call. Get in touch with somebody, because once you do, it's going to feel like family. Number one, family backing you. They got great products. And I mean, I don't know how many people have asked me, hey, take my number. If you have any questions, give me a call when you're out there. Something's not working right, give me a call. I'll help you. So I think that's great.
Little Bubba offers everything that you would need, the training, they have the marketing, the equipment, the trailers, everything, and they have the knowledge that you would need to start up a business.